It is a danger beaming into the sky that could lead to catastrophe. Laser strikes on airplanes full of passengers, even police and medical helicopters are soaring.
The Federal Aviation Administration has seen a record 50% increase in just the last year. KCBD News Channel 11's investigative reporter Shaylee Sanders shows us these laser strikes could leave your pilot flying blind.
Now we're getting hit pretty good with a green laser.
It's distracting.
It was right in my face.
It's dangerous.
First officer is having a vision problem.
And it's a felony.
Yep, making arrests.
The number of laser strikes nationwide is escalating. Over the last 7 years, we've seen a gradual increase in reports from pilots, averaging about 3,700 incidents a year. But last year, attacks nearly doubled to a record 7,700 strikes. We pushed the FAA for more details on these incidents. Through an open records request, we received dozens of documents. Some contain actual descriptions from the pilots taking off and landing at major airports around the country. A captain in Houston had to be pulled from the next flight after reporting burning eyes and a 5 to 10% loss of vision. Closer to home, a laser attack on a jet full of passengers landing in Dallas.
It was blue and they were definitely trying to get us.
We can document lasers hitting pilots in the cockpits of passenger jets with major airlines, including American, United, and Delta. But planes are not the only targets. A paramedic was injured by a laser attack on a medical helicopter while landing in Dallas. And according to these documents, right here in Lubbock, a pilot of a medical helicopter reported a laser attack. The beam on a $40 or $50 laser can reach 10 miles, and the beam only gets larger as it travels.
As it prisms, you know, it can go into 4 or 5 different lights into the aircraft, impacting multiple people. Bruce Mitchell is a nurse paramedic with AeroCare, who tells us when it's dark outside, they're required to wear these night vision goggles. About 25% of our landings are in unsecured areas. We caught up with AeroCare pilot Patrick Gerdeman right after he returned from an emergency flight. I'm glad you're here, Pat. The goggles helped him land safely.
You can see power lines a lot better. What the goggles allow us to do is pick out the poles. And once I can see the poles, we can figure out where the wires are going.
But they can be dangerous if a bright light, like a laser, is shined in their direction. These goggles amplify your night vision by more than 5,000 times.
The goggles have a feature in them that if they hit a bright light, they will shut down and protect themselves. But because a laser would be so overwhelming, it would fry the goggles and fry the operator's retina before the goggle would shut down.
Captain Chuck Dyer knows pilots who are off the job because of a laser attack.
39 pilots are out.
This pilot says he and his co-pilot were victims of a laser attack that continued to target them for several minutes.
We were both prior military pilots, so the thought has to be in your mind that you're being tracked by some weaponized system.
Whether someone is intentionally causing harm or it's just a prank, the consequences can be the same.
It's not funny. It's a felony. And it's not just a prank. It could be prison time.
Shaylee Sanders, KCBD News Channel 11.